Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a text shadow effect in Squarespace. This is a fantastic way to make your text stand out and add some visual depth to your website design. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Squarespace dashboard where all your websites are listed. Now that you're on the dashboard, simply click on the website where you want to add the text shadow effect. This will open up that specific site's editing interface, giving you access to all the customization tools you need. On the left side menu, click on Website. Under that option, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From there, click on Pages. This section allows you to navigate through all the different pages on your site and access the elements you want to modify. Let's focus again on the left side menu. This time, look for and click on Custom Code. Under it, you'll find an option called Custom CSS. Click on that. This is where you'll be able to input custom styling code to achieve the text shadow effect we're aiming for. Now, here's a helpful tip. I'm using a browser extension called Squarespace ID Finder. This tool is incredibly useful because it helps me identify specific block IDs or section IDs on my Squarespace site. I highly recommend you download it if you haven't already. Once it's installed, go ahead and activate it with the extension active. Click on the text block ID that you want to apply the shadow effect to, copy that ID, and paste it into the custom CSS field. Right after pasting the ID, add two curly braces, like this, opening and closing brackets together. Now, inside those curly braces, we'll input the custom CSS code. I already have the code prepared here, so feel free to pause the video so you can copy it down. Take your time with this step to make sure you get the code exactly right. Once you've got the code, paste it inside the curly braces. This CSS code is what creates the shadow effect on your text. The beauty of this approach is that you can customize it to suit your website's design. You can adjust the shadow's color, size, blur radius, and position to match your brand's aesthetic perfectly. Take a moment to tweak the values if needed. Play around with the settings until you're happy with how the shadow looks on your text. This is your chance to make it truly unique to your site. Once you're done customizing, click Save. This will apply the text shadow effect to your chosen text block. Your changes should now be live on your website, giving your text that extra visual pop you were looking for. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.